Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to transform your home lawn with lush green grass carpet. Whether you're looking to spruce up your outdoor space or create a cozy area for relaxation, installing a grass carpet is a fantastic option. So, let's dive right in. 1. Prepare the lawn. The first step in installing grass carpets is to prepare your lawn. Start by clearing the area of any debris, rocks, or weeds. Use a rake to level the ground and remove any bumps or uneven spots. This will ensure a smooth surface for laying the grass carpet. 2. Measure and cut the grass carpet. Next, measure the dimensions of your lawn and cut the grass carpet accordingly. Be sure to leave a few extra inches on each side to account for trimming and adjustments. Use a sharp utility knife or scissors to cut the grass carpet to size. 3. Apply adhesive. Once you have the grass carpet cut to size, it's time to apply adhesive. Using a suitable outdoor adhesive, apply a thin, even layer to the ground where the grass carpet will be laid. Also apply adhesive to the back of the grass carpet, ensuring full coverage. 4. Lay the grass carpet. Carefully lay the grass carpet onto the adhesive, starting from one end and working your way to the other. Press down firmly to ensure good adhesion and smooth out any wrinkles or air bubbles as you go. Take your time to align the edges properly for a seamless finish. 5. Secure edges and seams. To secure the edges and seams of the grass carpet, use landscape staples or nails around the perimeter. This will prevent the carpet from shifting or lifting, especially in windy conditions. For seams, use outdoor carpet seam tape to ensure a secure bond. 6. Trim excess and finishing touches. Once the grass carpet is in place, trim any excess material along the edges using a sharp knife or scissors. Take care to make clean, straight cuts for a professional-looking finish. Finally, give the grass carpet a quick brush with a broom to fluff up the fibers and remove any debris. And there you have it, your very own grass carpet installed in your home lawn. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your outdoor space into a lush green oasis. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and home improvement ideas. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.